Hello everyone, and thank you for being here for the Good News Report. Here is where you can find out what's happening at Dayton VA. I'm Public Affairs Officer Rhonda Moore. Now make sure you stay updated by liking us on Facebook, Dayton VA Medical Center. We are on X at Dayton VA, and we'd also like for you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Dayton VA Medical Center. And now, here's the good news. The interim network director for VISN 10 visited Dayton VA in March. Jill Dietrich Mellon met with the executive leadership team to discuss the new electronic health record, which goes live at Dayton VA on June 6th. She also visited inpatient and outpatient pharmacy, the new ICU, and the hospice unit, which she says was very impressive. Ms. Dietrich Mellon was the Dayton VA Medical Center director before leaving in 2019. The current ICU and hospice units were not here at that time. VISN 10 is the region serving VA hospitals in Ohio, Indiana, and Michigan. First sergeants from Wright-Patterson Air Force Base also paid a visit to campus. About a dozen of them came to tour the mental health inpatient treatment unit. Airmen at the base often come to Dayton VA when experiencing a crisis because Wright-Pat doesn't have a mental facility with beds. The first sergeants wanted to see firsthand where the airmen are treated and the accommodations.
Part of our job too is sometimes, I don't want to say convincing, but and reassuring them that they're going to a safe place with good people that are going to take care of them. And I think it's good for us to have eyes on where they're coming, and so that way we can speak to it, because we're going to be that support system for them when they come here.
Personally, I learned that the support that the VA is providing has come a long way in many years. I've visited myself as a child for one of my parents, and there's just been a lot of improvement, and I'm really impressed with how much the staff care and the support that they are providing to our military members and veterans. It's top notch, and I'm really glad I got to come here today and see what they do. So now I can help my airmen and try to provide them some comfort knowing that they're going to be in good hands when we send them.
Master Sergeant Smith says it's the first sergeant's responsibility to provide commanders with a mission-ready force, and part of that is taking care of airmen when they're in crisis or need help. K-9s on campus helping officers conduct a search. The three dogs, Ice, Otto, and Duke, joined Dayton VA and Indianapolis VA police officers, along with a Montgomery County Sheriff's deputy, to search the domiciliary. They were searching to make sure no drugs were in the building.
So today we were just doing a random sweep of the domicile, the public housing for the veterans, just to make sure that there's no drugs in the area that they have access to try to help any of the veterans that are in an addiction issue or in a crisis in that. So that way we can get it out of there and get them some help and try to get the drugs away from them.
It kind of goes with the mission of keeping the veterans safe, keeping staff safe, to deter or detect narcotics within the facility.
When we come out here, it's usually just preliminary, precautionary, just to help kind of deter the idea of bringing it onto their facilities. We typically don't tend to find anything.
Dayton VA's K-9 unit trains with the Sheriff's Office each month and also has trained with the Indianapolis VA. The K-9s did not find any drugs in the building. There's a new entrance for primary care. Beginning April 6th, you will enter primary care through Building 341, which is next to the Women's Clinic. There will be no direct connection between primary care and the main hospital, which is Building 330. That means you'll need to go outside to get from one building to the other. Construction is still going on at the building, and it's expected to wrap up in about a year and a half. Coming up in April, Patient Experience Week is April 27th through May 1st. Dayton VA has a week full of events planned to include a food drive each day and a resource fair on Thursday, April 30th from 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. in Building 305. The Women Overcoming and Winning Social Group meets the first Monday of each month from 6 until 7:30 p.m. in Building 305 on campus. Women veterans are encouraged to attend and enjoy good fellowship. Save the date for the annual Vets Moving Forward event. It's May 20th at Wright State University Student Union. It's a chance for veterans to sign up for VA healthcare, get assistance with claims, talk to employers, get a veteran ID card, and much more. Vets Moving Forward will be from 3 until 7 p.m. That's the March edition of the Good News Report. Thanks for watching and seeing the great things that happen every day at Dayton VA. Veterans, thank you for your service. Enjoy your day, everyone, and happy spring.